Assalamualaikum. Today we will start question number 2 of exercise 5D, book D3, 8th edition, and we are dealing with the midpoint. Now in question number 2, what they are saying that in each of the following, M is a midpoint, means the value of midpoint is given, and one point P is given. Basically, you have to find the coordinates of Q. So let us suppose that the value of Q or the coordinates of Q are X and Y. Now the midpoint value is given, and we know that the formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. We'll just put the values over here. The value of midpoint from here is 5 and 0. The value of x1 is minus 5 and the value of x2 is x by 2, and y1 is 0, y2 is y by 2. Remember that whenever we are comparing any two coordinates, two order pair, when they are equal with each other, that means the coordinate that is an x position, they will equal to each other. So from here, this 5 is equal to minus 5 plus x by 2, and this is on y position and this is on y position, or the second position 0 is equal to 0 plus y divided by 2. The corresponding positions पे number होते हैं, they are always equal. From here it will become 10 is equal to minus 5 plus x, so x will be equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And from here obviously it will become 0 is equal to y plus 0, so y is equal to 0. So the coordinates of Q are 15 and 0. If you will write 0 and 15, आपके आंसर के मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. Okay जी, part B is minus midpoint is given, that is 3 and minus 7, and a point P is given, that is 3 and minus 10. वैसे Q को आप उसी तरह से x and y सपोज कर लेंगे, x and y. So value of midpoint is 3 and minus 7. This is equal to x1 is 3 plus x by 2, and from here it is minus 10 plus y by 2. Again जो coordinates हैं that you will do equal. 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 3, and on the other side it is minus 10 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 7. From here it will become 3 plus x is equal to 3 2s are 6, x is equal to 6 minus 3, x is equal to 3. From here it is minus 10 plus y is equal to minus 14, and y is equal to minus 14 plus 10, so y is equal to minus 4. So your coordinates are 3 and minus 4. Moving towards part C, and in part C they are saying that the midpoint is M is 6 and 2 and the point P is 1 and 1. So again Q is x and y. Putting in the formula, that is 6 and 2, this is equal to 1 plus x by 2 and 1 plus y by 2. Again doing the same thing is equal to 6, and 1 plus y is by 2 is equal to 2. This 2 and 6, it will become 6 multiplied with 2, 1 plus x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. From here 1 plus y is equal to 2 into 2 4, y is equal to 4 minus 1, y is equal to 3. So your coordinates are 11 and 3. Part D is midpoint is 0 and minus 3, and point P is 4 and 1 minus 1, and Q is obviously x and y. So midpoint 0 and minus 3, this is equal to 4 plus x by 2 and minus 1 plus y by 2. Again doing the same thing, 4 plus x by 2 is equal to 0 and minus 1 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 3. From here obviously 4 plus x is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 4. From here minus 1 plus y is equal to minus 6, y is equal to minus 6 plus 1, y is equal to minus 5. So your point of Q is minus 4 and minus 5. Moving towards question number 3, and question number 3 is saying that three vertices of a parallelogram is A, B, C and D, and हमने third point find out करना है. First of all, parallelogram we will draw. This is our parallelogram जिसमें आपके पास है this is A, B, C and D. This is the diagonal and this is the diagonal. Remember that the diagonals are equal to each other. मतलब जितनी length of this diagonal and length of this diagonal they are equal. So that mean and they bisect each other. Bisect का मतलब है कि इनके mid points जो हैं वो same. Bisect का मतलब है कि एक दूसरे को half में cut कर रहे हैं. Half में cut कर रहे हैं. That mean mid point इनका same होगा. अच्छा जी, अब पहले तो आपने फाइंड आउट करने हैं मिड पॉइंट. सो ए बी सी डी, अगर आप ए सी का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं दैट विल बी द सेम एज ऑफ बी डी, इक्वल होंगे हमारे पास. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम पॉइंट्स लिख लेते हैं अपने. दिस इज़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ए के पॉइंट्स हैं -3 and 1, बी पॉइंट्स आर 4 and 9 एंड पॉइंट सी आर 11 and -3. एंड लेट अस सपोज कि डी के पॉइंट्स हमारे पास हो जाते हैं x and y. हम इसको विद द हेल्प ऑफ मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए सी ढूंढना है आपने, ठीक है. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए सी फॉर्मूला पर लगाएंगे -3 + 11 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड 1 - 3 बाई 2. -3 + 11 इज़ 8 बाई 2. 1 - 3 इज़ ऑब्वियसली -2 बाई 2. सो यहाँ से आपके पास आ जाएगा 4 and -1. ये आपका मिड पॉइंट है. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए सी एंड मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी डी या डी बी विल बी सेम. सो वी विल राइट ओवर हेयर मिड पॉइंट of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. So इसका मिड पॉइंट हम ले लेंगे दैट इज़ 4 and -1. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BD, B के पॉइंट्स हैं आपके पास 4, D का पॉइंट है आपके पास x. 4 + x/2 एंड 9 + y/2. दिस इज़ ना एज इट इज़ ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. वही वाले स्टेप्स आप यूज़ करेंगे. 4 + x/2 दिस इज़ इक्वल टू 4 एंड 9 + y/2 दिस इज़ इक्वल टू -1. From here it is 4 + x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 - 4. X is equal to 4. From here it is 9 + y is equal to -2. Y is equal to -2 - 9. Y is equal to -11. So आपके जो points आए हैं, जो fourth vertex आया है, जो D आया है, that is 4 and -11. Clear? Okay जी. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.